This is a 2011 Kia Sportage, functional utility for a modern lifestyle. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and new brakes. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low-tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a rear spoiler, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 47,000 miles on the odometer. This Kia has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Honda of Princeton for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 987 State Road in Princeton.